JunkFoodTasterDotCom, and it's time for microwave food again. And this is frozen food. And this is also Prima Menü, you may know it. I reviewed other flavors before. And we got the Tex-Mex French fries and the chili cheese French fries. So, yeah, let's do it. We have a look at it frozen. Alright. And yeah, the other one as well. And now I do it. Alrighty, it's 8.5 minutes and it's over. Let's get it. Da-da! So here we are. The first one is ready. Yeah. And I put it into this oven glass. Have I showed you this already? Here, like for demonstration purposes, I getting all out. And yeah, the French fries look very tasty. And now this sauce only on my channel. And I will eat this, and whilst I'm eating this, I will cook or microwave the other. Look at this. Alright, and we have nice microwave sounds. What we always wanted. Okay. Alright, so isn't this romantic with the microwave sounds in the background? And yeah, let's have it. So, it's cheesy, salty, and definitely feel like the vibes of the kidney beans. Let's eat some more. Yeah, I like it. I guess it's a little bit too salty, but overall it's good stuff. Okay, so I guess I rated win. Now the chili cheese things are still in the microwave. No. I wait until they are ready. Alright, so time is up for the other one. So here it comes. And it's steamingly hot, of course. And yeah, I have tried it before, and I remember it to be super hot, super spicy, or like not super, but for mainstream dish, unexpectedly spicy. Alright, and same game here. Let's get the French fries out. Yeah, I love this Prima Menü French fries. Yeah, it's still hot here. That's why I'm hesitating. And here it comes, only on my channel. Yeah, it's in English, hot can mean like the temperature, but also like the spiciness. This is a little bit of a problem. In Germany we have separate words. Okay. And this looks lovely. I think it looks lovely. What do you think? And yeah. Maybe I shoot a thumbnail now. Is this a good thumbnail? Okay, but I think I'll let the meat chill because of the temperature. Here, it's still 60 degrees Celsius or 143 Fahrenheit. Alright, so it's 50 degrees Celsius now, so I think I start it in. And yeah, the sauce got a little bit thicker, I think. And let's do it. Here, this is jalapeno, I think. We will look at the ingredients in a sec. Let's do it. Yeah, I just looked up my dictionary. So hot also means like tanginess. This dish is not bad. It burns. I also like the amount. It's not like the hottest sauce, but it's a lot of sauce. So yeah, I definitely feel in the nose. So, ingredients. Chili cheese sauce. Jalapeno, 7%. Alright, this is also Win. Yeah. I think it's a little bit better also than like the Tex-Mex. Tex-Mex was a fair win and this is a good win. Yeah. Alright, so I eat up now. I guess I check out now. I guess I check out now the cold one here. So this is now 35. It tastes a little bit funny now when it's cold. Yeah, definitely eat it when it's still warm. Yeah, I'm done here. I noticed that there's also like a doner kebab flavor. I need to get this one. See you soon. Thanks for watching.